GM guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC tutors. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be giving you guys step-by-step guide on how to participate in Arichain Airdrop. Arichain Airdrop seems to be the talk of the town in the crypto space at the moment, and there seem to be high expectations for the launch of the project. Just in case you've heard of the project and you're wondering how to get started with it, right? I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to start farming this project, right? But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support us by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be right in the description. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorial. Arichain is a layer 1 network that is aimed at driving new advancement in entertainment and content experiences. We have this wallet called ARI Wallet. It is part of the Arichain ecosystem, and it is designed to facilitate the management and earning of their native tokens, ARI coins. So it's in this wallet that we'll be doing our farming basically. So like you can see on our screen, we already have ARI Wallet installed. If you don't have ARI Wallet in your phone, you can download from Play Store or App Store and install in your phone. Or you can even transfer from another device. Like I did, I transferred from the device that I use in farming to this device that I'm using for this tutorial, right? So once your ARI Wallet is downloaded and installed, you can now get started. So we're going to start by opening ARI Wallet. Alright, so once you're here, select testnet. Select not now. Alright, so if you already have an existing account, you can log in. If you don't, you'll have to sign up. So select sign up. Alright, select agree to all. Select next. Alright, so you have to input an email address. I'm going to input mine. Select email verification. Okay. Alright, so you have to enter this code. Select OK. Alright, so your verification code has been sent to your email. So go over to your email to confirm the verification code. I already got mine, so I'll just input it. So next to set up your password, and as you can see, your password must meet these criteria. So I'll just set up mine. Alright, so I'll re-enter my password. So the next thing here is to input a referral code. So I'm going to input the referral code of my original account. Alright, so once you're done, select next. So here you'll be given a master key to your wallet. So ensure that you copy and keep it in a safe place. So once you've done that, select OK. Alright guys, so we're here finally in ARI Wallet. I'm just going to close this. Alright, so this is what the wallet looks like. This is the dashboard. This is where your total ARI coins is displayed, and other tokens will be displayed here. So coming down here, so how this thing actually works is you open the app every day to check in, right? And every time you check in, every day you check in, you get some ARI coins in rewards. And then you do some tasks, like some missions, some social tasks, follow accounts, maybe like posts and all that. And then you get rewarded in ARI coins. And also you can answer quiz question every day. And for every correct answer that you give, you get ARI coins. So it's just a number of things that you just do, and then you're rewarded in ARI coins. All right, so we're going to start by doing some of these things, right? So here we have the first mission. We are to go to their X account. When you tap this, you'll see what you're expected to do. You're to click go and visit the Arichain Twitter account. You have to retweet and like their post, and then you receive your airdrop. So once you've done that, you come over to your daily check-in. So all you have to do here is select go. So as you can see, each day has their rewards. So to check in for today, select check in. Alright, so you can see we've earned 30 ARI coins. So once we go back to our dashboard, we see that our ARI coins have been added to our balance. So if you notice, we have this other token, REG, right? And we got this from actually completing these tasks, right? Come down here, you see the reward is 30 REG tokens, right? So that's how we actually got this. So I think for every social task we do on this app, would actually be rewarded in REG. Now, what is REG? It's maybe not really defined yet, right? But it seems to be a utility token that would be used within the dApp on Arichain. Right, so guys, coming down here, we have another mission to complete, and that's the daily quiz, right? So to participate in the quiz, select go. Okay, so you have to choose the right answer. It says, what does DeFi stand for? Of course, it stands for decentralized finance. So choose number 1 and select check. All right, so for answering this question correctly, we got 30 ARI coin. So when we scroll down and maybe refresh our wallet, we should see new balance of our ARI coin on our dashboard. So once you're done with these 3 missions, I think these are like daily missions. So whenever you come here every day, you'll have to execute these missions. All right, so that's for the daily section. The other section is the general section, right? And you can see that there are a number of tasks to actually complete. Follow these accounts on X, visit their website, join their Discord, visit their Telegram, visit their X account, right? So once you've completed all of these tasks, you should have your rewards, but your rewards will be in REG coins and not in ARI coins. So another way to earn ARI coin here is through referrals, right? By referring your friends and having them set up their wallets, you would be rewarded in ARI coins, right? So to do that, select the hamburger icon. So just copy your link or copy your code and send over to your friends. And once they use your link in setting up their account, you would definitely get your rewards. All right, guys, so we are coming to the end of this tutorial. Another thing you can do is you can just, explore the chain by sending and receiving tokens. So you can receive or send tokens to your friends. All right, if you want to receive tokens, select receive, and you should see your wallet address. So send over to whoever wants to send you tokens, or if you want to send tokens, select send. So input the wallet address, the amount you want to send, input the memo and your password, then select next, and that should be basically it for that. You can also send your REG tokens, right? So choose any of these options depending on what you want to do, whether you want to receive or send. So that'll be all for now. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial. If you have questions concerning tutorial, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.